The Australian Department of Home Affairs has introduced a series of transformative changes to its skilled migration framework. This is targeting Australia's pressing labour shortages while streamlining processes for employers and skilled workers alike. These changes are designed to attract high-demand skills from around the globe, ensuring Australia's workforce remains competitive and capable of supporting economic growth. At the heart of this overhaul is the newly launched Skills in Demand visa, which aims to fast-track the migration of professionals in critical sectors. Complementing this is the revised Temporary Residence Transition Stream under the Employer Nomination Scheme visa, Subclass 186. This is providing a clearer and more accessible pathway for temporary visa holders to transition to permanent residency. Additionally, updates to the Core Skills Occupation List ensure that the framework remains responsive to evolving labour market needs by prioritising occupations experiencing acute shortages. These changes represent a significant step toward aligning Australia's migration policies with its economic and social priorities, offering benefits for employers, skilled workers, and the broader community. This video provides an in-depth examination of these updates, shedding light on their key features, potential impacts, and what they mean for businesses and aspiring migrants. 1. TSS visa replaced. The new Skills in Demand visa has replaced the temporary skill shortage visa. This streamlined pathway aims to make it easier for Australian employers to recruit skilled workers from overseas, and here are the key features. The Specialist Skills stream is designed for highly skilled workers, and this stream offers expedited processing, with applications processed within 7 days. The Core Skills stream focuses on mid-income roles aligned with the updated Core Skills Occupation List. This stream ensures processing within 21 days. The Labour Agreement stream is tailored to industries with unique workforce needs. This stream provides flexibility for businesses requiring specialised talent. 2. Relaxed work experience criteria. Applicants now need only 1 year of full-time equivalent work experience within the past 5 years. This change makes the visa more accessible to skilled workers with diverse career trajectories. 3. Flexibility for visa holders. Subclass 482 visa holders benefit from a 6-month grace period to find a new sponsor if their employment ends. During this time, they can engage in casual employment with multiple employers without jeopardizing their visa status. 4. Employer financial requirements. Employers must demonstrate financial capacity to support the nominated salary by providing documents such as profit and loss statements or contracts. 5. Labour market testing. While the current labour market testing requirements remain unchanged, a proposal to extend the testing period to 6 months is awaiting parliamentary approval. These updates aim to simplify the process for employers and skilled workers while ensuring compliance with Australian labour standards. Changes to the Temporary Residence Transition Stream. The Temporary Residence Transition Stream under the Employer Nomination Scheme visa, Subclass 186, has undergone important modifications to enhance flexibility for skilled workers. 1. Work experience requirements. Applicants can now combine work experience from multiple employers to meet the required 2-year threshold. This change accommodates modern employment patterns, where workers may hold multiple roles or shift between employers within their field. 2. Application stage adjustment. Work experience requirements are now assessed at the visa application stage instead of the nomination stage. This shift reduces administrative hurdles and ensures that workers are not disadvantaged by changes to occupation lists. These revisions provide a more adaptable pathway for skilled workers to transition to permanent residency, aligning with contemporary workforce dynamics. 3. Updates to the Core Skills Occupation List. The updated Core Skills Occupation List reflects Australia's evolving labour market needs while balancing international obligations. 4. Removal of Caveat 14. Previously, Caveat 14 restricted certain occupations to applicants covered by international trade obligations. Its removal now allows individuals of all nationalities to apply for roles such as chefs under the Skills in Demand visa and the Employer Nomination Scheme visa. This broadens eligibility and addresses critical workforce shortages in sectors like hospitality. 5. Retained occupation-specific caveats. For certain roles, Caveat 14 remains in place due to labor market considerations and skill level assessments. These occupations include other sports coaches or instructors like martial arts and yoga, traditional Chinese medicine practitioners, private tutors, and teachers. The department clarified that these roles are either skill level 4, which typically do not meet inclusion criteria, or were excluded based on stakeholder feedback and labor market analysis. 6. Clarification for chefs. Concerns were raised about whether chefs were restricted to applicants from ITO-covered countries. The department has confirmed that this is not the case, and chefs of all nationalities can now apply under the updated guidelines. Persistent gaps in the core skills occupation list. While the updates broaden opportunities, critical trades such as plumbers and bricklayers remain excluded from the CSOL. This omission has drawn criticism from industry stakeholders, as these roles are vital to addressing workforce shortages in sectors like construction and infrastructure. The revised CSOL, effective the 14th of December 2024, demonstrates the government's commitment to a responsive skilled migration system, balancing international agreements with domestic labor market priorities. Impacts on employers and skilled workers. These updates to Australia's skilled migration framework have significant implications for both employers and skilled workers. For skilled workers, there is improved eligibility and relaxed work experience criteria, and the ability to combine employment history make the visa process more accessible. There are streamlined pathways for faster processing times and simplified occupation requirements to enable quicker entry into the workforce. For employers, there is the enhanced sponsorship options, as the Skills in Demand visa provides more flexibility and faster processing times. Also, a clear financial requirement from employers must provide evidence of their capacity to pay nominated salaries, ensuring fair treatment of skilled migrants. Employers and skilled workers are encouraged to familiarize themselves with the updated eligibility criteria, application processes, and occupation lists to ensure compliance and maximize opportunities. Broader implications for Australia's labour market. The updated skilled migration framework reflects the Australian government's recognition of the critical role skilled migrants play in addressing workforce shortages. By streamlining pathways and aligning occupation lists with labour market needs, the changes aim to support economic growth by addressing skill gaps in critical industries, boost productivity, and strengthens the economy. It also aims to enhance workforce diversity, as the broader eligibility criteria foster a more inclusive and diverse workforce. Flexibility in work experience requirements acknowledges modern employment patterns and ensures fairness for skilled workers. The changes to Australia's skilled migration framework mark a significant step forward in addressing labour shortages and enhancing opportunities for skilled workers. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on Australia immigration news. Thanks for watching.